everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, it seems as if Scandal is introducing us to Scandal the Legacy. Many characters including Gorbachev, Ngema, Boniswa, Romeo, Mamba and Quinton were killed off, and the other old characters such as Grace, Neo, Tumani, the Ngema family are not featured in this new storyline. We are not sure if they will come back in future or not, but for now it seems as if they are taking a break. Yesterday episode or Friday episode left many people worried and asking themselves who could have passed away between Quinton and his daughter Khanyi. Here is the truth. The guys, Quinton lost his life in that accident as the producers were introducing us to the new Kubeka family. Guys, Quinton Nyati, portrayed by Brighton Ngoma, has resigned from Scandal to appear in season 1 of Ubetina Wait that plays on SABC 1. Guys, I was hoping the best for Quinton and Dintle's relationship. The past few weeks was short-lived. Dintle, portrayed by Mapaseka, said the final days with Brighton were equally as emotional as behind the scene and on screen, with the two having worked together for at least 7 years. The last few days were so painful to both of them. Anyway guys, we meet to depart. We wish Quinton all the best in his new journey. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.